Er, Did you hear that? I just heard a guy go, ah, it's a...
Open your eyes!